Hey guys, today is September the 7th of 2013. I want to go over the euro and just let you know this is an educational video only, so please consult a professional financial advisor. With that being said, let's get into the charts. Okay, as you can see, I'm using Gann Analysis Professional 5.0, and I just wanted to show you the key levels. And this is from the current swing low 724 to the high on February the 1st. You can see this is the 50%, 2887, and this is a 25%. Gann used a lot of the percentages and moves, which I'm going to try to start getting into a little more. I've always used the Fibonacci, but I want to just kind of see, try different things. So, and this is from the current swing low to here, and this is the 50%, and you can see that it got a bounce, and I got in. I actually went long because I thought the fourth was going to be a pivot turn, and I got a head fake and got blown away, and got stuck long at 31.90, and then it went all the way down, and I got in at 31.33 ish around there, and felt the heat a little bit. So the only thing I was thinking is this 50%, if it doesn't hold, then I'm gonna just have to take a major loss and just probably write it down to like here or down here to this 50%, and then see what happens, or maybe this pivot low. So it actually worked out great because I had a bounce on the 6, and I covered around 31, I believe 80ish around there, or maybe 70. If I can't remember. All I know is I'm flat even with the little loss I got from 31.90. So that's that. I wanted to show you also, I'll hide these two things. If you are long from this pivot low, the majority of ATR stops were probably around this range, so they went and pulled it all the way down, got all of that and even more to the 50 from this current range, and now probably want to push it and go higher. So that was that level, which is at 3206. Now if you're short average true range, they might want to push it up there to get you up here, which is at 3348, if they want to push it higher. So we'll see. Just wanted to show you those two levels on the ATR. Now, if you're doing the swing long, these are probably the targets you want to expect if you think we're going to go higher. 33% would be that 33.34, 45 would be that 34.18, and 65 with 35.56, and your final target would be 3800. Now, if you believe that we're going lower, then this would probably be your target. Which already hit the first one, second one, and you probably need to now get to like 30.24, and your last target will probably be 27.94, which would be 100% from the ABC pattern. What else I wanted to show you? Let's see. I think that was it. One also, Gann X bar swing chart. As you can see, we're still on the downtrend. We'll see what Sunday's action and Monday's going to bring. Maybe it could bring us a change of direction. I know there's a lot going on the calendar, so it'll be interesting to see what happens. But as of the Gann X bar swing chart, it's currently wants to push lower, even though we got this pop. And on my calculations, you can see that I wrote it on my Worldwide Invest little blog I do. I was looking for the fourth to get a pop, and then if it fails, then it could, go as low as at 927. But I have as an eye to keep an eye on the 10th to 20th. So that's where we were standing. So if it continues going higher, then I'm gonna have to look at the 27th going up. So with that being said, let's go into seasonalities. I wanted to show you something real quick on the euro on the TOS platform. I don't know, something happens here that it gets a little funky. I need to change something here. Average seasonality, and then hit yes. Okay, so this was the fourth. This is where it got that pop, and that's where I got in, and then it pushed down lower on the 5th. And you can see that now on an average seasonality wants to push higher all the way to the 10th. Remember that day that I had on my calculations? and then it probably want to pull down on the 11th, and then go all the way as high as the 17th. So this is where we at currently, and this is the seasonality average forecast to the 17th, and then it probably wants to go all the way down to like the 1st of October. I don't want to go that far because I'm covering September. So this is where we at the 19th. I get a thing here, hold, and it will drop to the 23rd, get a pop to 24th, and the 27th, which is the day I had, get a pop. So we'll see. Just wanted to show you that. Let's see if I have enough time. Is there anything else I wanted to show you? This is the next thing I wanted to show you. September days to watch using the Gann emblem from the pivot August 20 pivot high and July 9th pivot low. These are degrees. These are from anchors of 120 degree September 13th equal the 144 degrees. So these are the dates you probably want to be keeping an eye. These are the cluster dates that I found, the 19th to 26th. And my calculation I had the 27th. So between these 2 days, something could happen. We'll see. The 19th, the 13th, and this Sunday coming up, the 8th. You have from the pivot low on the 9th. So we'll see. Something might play out, something may not. And I had this one on the 21st, but I made a note that's on a Saturday, so there's nothing going on. So just wanted to put it out there. Sometimes things either carry, over to Sunday or Friday. So just wanted to put it out there. So just pause this, write those dates down, just keep it on your side. Something may happen, something might not happen, but if something does happen, we could look back and kind of see, build up a case to, what's going on and what's working and what's not working. Next thing I wanted to show you is timing solutions. Using the seasonalities, right now, everything here has like a cycle turn going up, which started from the 4th or 5th or whatever, and it's going up. And there's another cycle date here on seasonality that pivots on the 10th and then pushes higher. And that one continues all the way to the 17th. So remember that on top, 17, 18, 19, there was a turn there. And then this one right here pivots at the 23rd. And this one all the way up here goes all the way to like the 24th, 25th, 26th. Then my date that I had was the 27th. And you have another one here doing the 30th. So these are just seasonalities on the seasons and everything. That's from right over here. You got the annual, fast annual, weekly, monthly. So I just want to show you that. Now if we take that away and use these calculations here, all four, you see a certain pattern also too building up. Everything kind of pushed down here lower, and now everything looks like it wants to go up. And then on this one right here, it hits the 10th also. Interesting. And then that one kind of pulls down, and it kind of bottoms or bases at the 19th, while this one, this green one all over here, hits at like 17 or actually 18, and then it goes down. So something's gonna, I have on the calculations as a 19, there's a cluster of the 120 degree and the 270 degree from a pivot, which anchors on the 90th degree. So right there you got the 18th, and this bases off on the 16 and 17, so they kind of like go in pattern and push down lower till like the 27th right here. And this one goes to the 30th, and then it goes up. So just wanted to show you that also. Let's take this out. I got some other things maybe I could show you. Pitchfork. This is the 50% right here. So, and this is another pitchfork from the low going up. So if this thing wants to probably push lower, it could probably find base from right here, which is the July 9th low, and build up. It probably could find resistance around here too at the 32.37. And on my Gann square, same thing. This is right now support 31.31. That's one of the reasons probably why I got in. It was like 31.33 because it also hit the Kumo cloud, and I was thinking that was going to be support, and it sunk a little more in. And then right here too, 31.53 is support, and you might find some resistance around these angles here also. So that's that on Euro. Just wanted to give you those dates, and let's see what happens this week. It should be an interesting, fun week to trade the Euro. As of right now, I'm flat because I want to see what this thing is going to do. If it's going to go up, then I'll jump in and ride it, and then kind of see where could resistance be. And you already saw some of the forecasts I did on what those dates could be. So let's see how it plays out. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again. Peace.